Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will give you a couple of tips because I have to on how to avoid scams on Instagram. Let's be honest, there is so many people out there that are trying to scam us, and sometimes some people they think that this account just sounds so good, this account is real, so I'm gonna go for it. No. So I haven't been a victim because you might say, oh, you're overthinking, oh, you think too much. Yes, I'm not. I'm very, very careful on who I'm doing business with. I'm very, very careful on who I'm following on Instagram, and I'm very careful in emails that I get if I reply to that. And I will give you a couple of tips on how to avoid those things for this year. First of all, you might get a lot of DMs on Instagram when you post videos or pictures or having fun with your friends, how to become ambassador. They send you a couple of things on DMs, and then they're asking you to sign up. You might reply and say, yes, I want to be an ambassador of this product, whatever the product is. And then you get sign up and we give you a discount code. Of course, it's nothing wrong from getting products with discount codes, but big companies, really serious brands, are doing it by signing up to the email list. You know very well, we're all of us doing the same business. So you know that somebody wouldn't say to you, oh, you have to sign up and we make you ambassador and you buy our products. This is all scam. And to be quite honest, guys, that is wasting time. You wasting your time to reply to somebody who wants to get your details, who wants to make you buy things from them, and you're not even an ambassador. And you have to be honest that if you really pay attention to details, you know very well that it's a scam. The other thing is that you are probably getting TMs from companies. I get that a lot, and sometimes I know it's a scam and I have fun with them. We will give you this product for free and you have to buy the product, or we give you a product for free and you have to pay for the delivery. No, if a company really wants to give you a product for free, they're doing it straight away. So I have been buying vitamins from a big company. I do not buy the vitamins because I tag them on Instagram and they send me products for free just to write a review. And that was a big company, is not some scam, if you know what I mean. So if somebody wants to give you a product and give you a product for free in order to share your content with your followers on an Instagram or emails or Twitter, they will give you the product for free. They will not ask you to pay for the delivery. They will not ask you to pay for the products. There are people that say to you, oh, you need to buy my product or write a review on Amazon or something like that, and then we will give you the refund back and all those nonsense. No, do not fall for this. They're all scams, and you are also wasting your time. So if you're really an influencer, you're doing business with brands, you know very well, but that's not the way they will approach you, correct? So please avoid those scams. There is another thing that I'm getting a lot recently, and I have replied to those emails because I found it very funny. I have received a couple of emails from some people called, the Pretty Little Thing, for its big company, from some Gmails. You understand when you get scam emails from companies, and they tell you to click on the link, we give you this, please reply to us. I haven't replied, and it's so funny that they're sending you messages and telling you things, but it's not really they're not really real companies. So please do not fall for those emails. Just ignore them, or if you want to have some fun, just reply to them and say that you don't like the product, something like that. I have fun with it when I receive them. So make sure that to ignore those emails, because again, you know very well that's not the way that the big companies, the brands will approach you. Some of them, they have their own influencer programs. Some of them, they have a list of influencers they're working with. Some of them, they use an agency, so you know that very well. If you're an influencer, I'm doing a lot of stuff on Instagram, and Twitter, and I know very well that's not the way they will approach me. The other thing is fake followers or companies with fake accounts or some sort of DMs from some 0 followers or no pictures or nothing. They say to you, oh, we are follow us on this account, this is official account, we DM you and we want to give you products, so you need to buy from us. All those are scams. Don't even follow this page, don't either click on the link they send you. They probably want to steal the details from you. The majority of those people, there are also hackers. There is a lot of things going on that with hackers, they're stealing your details, they probably steal your credit card details, and you know very well because it happens to a lot of people, and also they're gonna scam your account, they might hack your account. So do not click on links, just delete them or even block them and report the account, because there is a lot of accounts out there that are faked. There are they're telling you that the official account is this, and they contact you on behalf of them. That's also fake. So make sure you don't actually fall for that. Also for celebrities, remember that if you follow a celebrity, a lot of people, they're following you, a lot of accounts that might follow you and say, oh, this is the fan of Russell Crowe fans account, or Dwayne Johnson fans account, and they're sending you messages on DMs and they're telling you to follow them and they're telling you to do things. That's also a scam, so please do not fall for that. If you actually following a celebrity, just report those accounts and block them. That's what I advise to people, because there are usually scammers that want to sell you stuff, they want to ask you for money, and also hack you. We have this also for Facebook a lot, but there's a lot of hackers, remember. So the other things that you need to remember to avoid on Instagram is all these mini loops, unfollow and follow people, like, post, and write comments in order to, increase your accounts. Something is really good, because you might think, oh my god, I get 500 followers just like that, or I get 300 followers. All of that is just wasting time, because you just follow people that they will not follow you, and to be honest with you, they don't care about your content, and they don't care to like your videos, or they're not gonna even like your videos or watch your videos, and they don't care about what you sell. So this is not really the audience that you should be approaching. So please do not fall for that. It's wasting time, and sometimes if people even ask you for money to do this, is absolutely ridiculous. So please do not fall for that, and focus on creating content, and don't wasting times with fake accounts and loops that will increase your followers and likes. Because remember, there are companies out there that they help you grow your followers, and they put you in a couple of giveaways, so you're getting involved with other influencer marketing in order to grow your Instagram accounts. So, and you have to pay for it. It's not free, and you have to pay a lot. So please avoid those scams for this year, for next year, focusing on creating your content and have fun. And don't forget to like this video again, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments below. Please make sure you share your experiences if you have any sort of this type approach, and have a great day.